Do you often feel scared? Do you often feel reluctant? Do you feel that you cannot win? To find answers, watch this video till the end. To understand the story, please watch it from the first episode. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, sit back and enjoy the stories. Charlene, what happened to the tumor?
Dr. Robin did the magic. I was so happy to get rid of it. But when I came to know that you are not around, I was completely shattered. I had never thought that I would have to live my life without you.
Charlene, I never made you dependent on me. I always guided you to take your decisions by yourselves.
Okay, I'm not as smart as you, James. Is that what you want to hear?
I didn't mean that. Hey, why are you shaking your legs as if they are not in your control?
I picked up this habit since the time you left. I feel nice.
Are you aware this is a sign of nervousness? Do you feel scared when you face a new responsibility?
Scared. I feel that I would never be able to finish it. I feel the work would get ruined because of me. I feel I don't have the zest to win. I will lose and people will laugh at me.
Charlene's legs started shaking vigorously. James gave her a tight hug. This happens due to insecurity. A tough phase in our life or a bad accident leaves a deep impact on our minds. We feel that we are bound to lose, no matter how good we try. We start behaving abnormally and we don't even come to know about it.
I get weird dreams at night. Doctor has advised me sleeping pills, but I don't want to get into it.
The reason we feel shattered is because we had never expected that something like this will happen to our lives. Tell me one thing, Charlene. What is the chance that we will come across only good things in our lives? Isn't this our fault that we are expecting only beautiful things? In this way, we are bound to experience pain. We are bound to experience unhappiness. We have to be prepared for every situation. We need to understand that if we are expecting positives, we must also expect negatives. One more thing, Charlene. We need to learn to accept what we cannot control. The more we run away from truth, the more it sits deep inside us, and it becomes all the more difficult to eliminate it. Be ready to face the situation. Be ready to accept what you cannot change and get on the side of wisdom. When wisdom arrives, insecurity has to leave. Then you'll be able to fulfill all your responsibilities gracefully.
You're a genius, James. Thank you for coming back into my life.
Friends, insecurity creates so much of hesitation that we are scared to fulfill even the simplest of responsibilities. The longer it stays, the denser it becomes. Its roots become stronger than ever. If we keep realistic expectations and face every challenge with courage, then solving problems becomes as simple as playing a game. Just then, Charlene receives a message on her phone and she tries to hide it from James. Who sent that message and why was Charlene hiding it? Watch our next video to know this. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. And yes, don't forget to share this video with at least one person. Till then, think clearly.